Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit
So today we are going to give our reaction on the Sachin trailer, and this is, I think this is fan made trailer.
Yes, so
Yes.
we are not sure whether it is a original trailer or not because we couldn't find the original trailer. I think it
Yes.
is a pretty much old movie.
Right.
That's why we
Yes.
couldn't find. So we have Talapati Vijay in it, John Mahindran,
Yes.
and that's all. That's what it was written there. So let's get started. But before that, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo, let's get started.
நீ புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு உன் லவ் சொல்றதுக்குள்ளார வெளியில இருந்து எவனாவது ஒருத்தன் வந்து வைக்க போறான் ஆப்பு.
Okay. Here comes
Chocolate boy.
Genelia.
Sachin loves Shalini. ஆமா உன் பேர் என்ன? சச்சின். ஒரு பொண்ணு பார்த்தேன். நினைச்சு அவன் முகத்துல இருக்கிற அழகான கண்ணை பார்த்தேன். பொண்ணு இந்த கண்ணு இருக்கதான் பார்த்தீங்க.
Oh, she's looking pretty.
ஷாலினி நம்ம காலேஜ் முடியறதுக்கு இன்னும் 30 நாள் இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன். அதுக்குள்ள நீயா வந்து உன் கதை சொல்றியா இல்லையாப்பா?
Wow. Okay, Bipasa Basu is there.
Okay, yeah, Sachin,
Ah,
yes.
அடுத்த நிமிஷம் நிச்சயமில்லாத முடிச்ச வரைக்கும் எல்லாரையும் சந்தோஷப்படுத்துவோம்.
சச்சின் மாதிரி ஒருத்தன் கிடைக்க நீ கொடுத்து வச்சிருக்கணும். உன்னை பார்க்காம அவன் என்ன ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்ணிருந்தானா வாழ்க்கை கூட கும்பிட்டு இருக்கான்.
இன்னும் 2 நாள்ல என் கண்ணுல நீ தெரிய. I love you. I love you சச்சின்னு நீ சொல்லல. சொல்லுவேன்.
Wow, that was very cute.
So I think this movie is totally based upon the love story.
The love story, yes. This is
Like,
actually a college
time
love.
love story. Yes.
That is very sweet actually. I really like this kind of content because that is very sweet and very emotional, very innocent, not
Yes.
that much pressurized kind of love.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I really like it, and yeah, Vipasha Vasu is there.
Yes.
I think a few of you requested to do.
Yeah, right.
Right, so yeah, Sachin trailer, this was very good actually. Okay, I really want to see the movie because Vijay Sir was looking really chocolatey boy and very cute boy,
Right.
cute handsome boy in the college, and he fell in love with the cutest girl in the
Yes,
college,
right.
and then I think something happened, like some jhagda fight and all will be happened, and then they will reunite.
Of course,
This
and
kind
a
of
lot
thing.
of the good songs are
Good
there.
songs will be there,
songs
romantic
are there,
songs.
yes.
Correct.
Right. And
So-
I think this movie got released somewhere between 2005.
Is it?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Whatever the
okay.
picturization and everything, I can see.
But still, the picturization quality, everything was like
Yeah,
very
right.
good actually.
I love the music. in
Ah,
this
the music.
movie,
Na
yes.
na na na
Yeah,
na.
right.
That one very good.
Yes.
Actually, yes, definitely. So we really enjoyed it. We really liked it, and the content, whatever the content we understood is
Yes.
purely based on the romantic movie category, you can say. So I don't know. I am not sure, but I think family also can watch this movie
Yeah.
together, right?
I think so because this is pretty much old movie. So,
Pretty much old movie.
During those
Ha.
time, most of the movie are there that you can see
You
with
can see with the
family,
family and all, romantic kind of scene, but not that much, fully
Vulgar type.
vulgar, not vulgar, yeah, at all.
Yes.
So I am really eager to see this
Yeah,
movie.
right.
I
This
really
will
hope
be
that in
pretty a
sights.
good movie, and also we'll be having a good time pass.
Good time pass
during
to see this
lockdown.
movie. We'll be very happy
Yes.
actually to see this kind of acting and everything.
I'm not
So,
sure we will get a Hindi
that's what
dubbed
I
or
was
not. That is the
asking.
problem.
Shall we get or not? Because I am not sure that in Prime or anywhere it is
Yes.
there. Nah, because it is an old movie, so
Right.
that's very difficult. So we have to search in YouTube. If we get, then well and good, we will see and give our reaction on the complete movie
Yeah, right.
explained by us. Definitely we will do this kind of video
Yes.
also. If
And
you
also,
want,
yeah, some of the
definitely let us know.
fans also told us, they have commented like you can watch any movie and give the whatever your thoughts on that
Yeah,
movie.
yes.
So I think,
People have
yes.
told, a lot of
So,
people have told
yes.
that. Yeah, definitely our friends have told that, and definitely we will do that. Now this is a lockdown period, we can do
Yeah,
definitely,
right.
and surely we are going to watch that kind of video soon. Movie explanation by us.
Yes.
Okay, because we also love to give our information, give our thought on the movie,
Right.
what we understood, what is the good part, what is the bad part, everything,
Yes,
and
right.
then like wanted to read your comments also, your feedback also, like
Yes.
what you
That's
understand,
true. That's true.
and
That will be a
what do you
better
think about
also,
it. Yeah, that is more
Right.
interactive, we think, right?
Yes, right.
So that is very cool content we saw. Somehow this movie reminds me of Mohabbat. Right,
Mohabbat
there
you
also
say,
there you
or
can
the-
see a college kind of
Right.
love. There also they are dancing, and
or,
friends are
or
surrounding.
or like that movie is there na, Jo
Which
Jeeta
one?
Wahi
Jo Jeeta Wahi
Sikandar.
Sikandar, you can say, yes.
Right. Or
So really that
song
one
is
very
there,
cool.
Pehla Nasa.
Pehla Kumar. That one
Yes.
very good. I don't know whether guys you have seen that movie or not. That song is
Yeah.
iconic. Okay, reminds me of mixture of that movies only.
Yes.
But yeah, the output will be cutest.
Actually, we are belonging from that generation.
Yes,
so,
yes. So
we will love to watch those kind of movie as well.
Yeah. So we have seen Talapati Vijay sir in angry
Angry
mode,
mode.
cop mode, okay, and father mode. This one is the college, lovable, couple mode.
Yes.
So also Nanban movie is also based on the college,
Yes.
but that is a
That
little
is a
different,
different
and
kind
this
of-
one is completely on corner of the love, you can say,
Yes.
romanticism.
College time
Correct.
love, you can
Yeah.
say, and that was not the college time love. That was based
That
on
was a
totally
career,
college life.
college life, careers and everything, based on that. So yeah, we really enjoyed it. It was very cute, very beautiful content we saw today. Execution was very brilliantly done, and songs were like superb.
Yes.
We are really looking forward to hear the song
Right.
from
Musics,
this movie.
we
Musics
liked
were
it.
very
That's why.
good. Yeah,
Of course, song
definitely.
will be good also. Yeah.
Definitely. So we really enjoyed it, and I really hope that you will also like this content.
Right.
Okay, now this is the time to read the comments.
Okay, yeah. So the first comment is from Chandra Prasad. He is saying that I don't like this much angry of Vijay because his cuteness is awesome than
His
this
angry
angry
look.
look. Okay.
Okay, he is commenting on Aati movie scenes reaction, and
so
there Vijay sir was like
too much
literally
angry.
too much angry. His eyes were like popping out, and he
Yeah,
can kill anybody. He was looking like that only. But yeah, that look was also awesome, and this
Yes.
cute kind of look was also awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah, we also think like that only, that angry से अच्छा होता है क्यूट होना, right? So yeah, Chandra Prasad, you are right, and definitely thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos.
And then nowadays movies we have seen that
Yeah.
lot of the movie he is doing like both angry
Both.
look as well as having the cute look as
ha,
well.
ha, ha,
Like
yeah.
Bigil also we have seen.
Yes.
Right?
So he can carry multiple kind of look. He is a
Yes.
very brilliant actor actually. So it is nothing for him actually.
Right.
So yeah, we are very proud of him, and we also enjoy both angry look and cute look also
Yes.
of Vijay sir. So definitely.
Right.
So the second comment is from Shivagnanam R, and he is telling this movie is worst movie of Vijay sir's career, and he is writing on Atti movie scenes.
Okay.
So yeah, we have gotten a lot of this kind of comment that
Comments.
it is not a good movie, and it is a very flop movie. Why are you reacting on this kind of
Yes.
scenes and all?
Right.
But personally, we didn't think that that scene was very bad
also,
and flop.
actually,
We didn't know that it
and,
is flop or hit.
And
That
also
you
we have
guys
got-
will
right.
tell.
Also we have got a request for this Aarthi movie.
A lot of
So,
requests we
yes.
got actually. So might be happened that movie
Some
might be
people
flop.
doesn't like it.
Some people might
Didn't
most
like
of the
that.
people didn't like, but some people like that. But genuinely, I am speaking that
This scene
was
was
not
not
that
that
bad.
much bad,
Yes,
yes.
that scene was good
It was
only.
good only. His expression and everything was genuine and real.
So that
we
is
liked
why
that.
we like that, and we give our reaction on the positive side only, because that scene was good only
And
for
also,
our perspective.
and also that is not good for us also, that every time you give whatever the hit movie is there, right?
That is not
we
possible
should cover
actually.
everything.
Yes, yeah, that scene especially, I'm telling about that scene. That was very good scene.
Yes.
According to our perspective, we really enjoyed it, and yeah, maybe the worst movie for his career, maybe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching our videos and for commenting. So the third comment is from Muhammad Sharafat, and he is telling the love movies of Vijay's are Sachin, Kavalan, and Kadaluku Mariadhai, and the action movies are Gilli, Pokhiri, and
Thirupachi.
Thirupachi. My personal choice is please watch Sachin movie. I'm sure you'll enjoy this scene.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Today's video is on Sachin movie only, and
also,
you'll like
thanks,
it for
thanks
sure.
for all those information. We
Yeah.
are also looking for the love movies.
Definitely. So Sachin, Kavalan, and Kadaluku Madiyadhai. I think Kadaluku Madiyadhai we have done. I'm not sure
No,
though,
I
but
don't think so.
I think we have to search. So yeah, definitely Sachin movie is a, you know, trailer wise it was looking so promising, and we really enjoyed it. And yeah, we will definitely take a note of it, and next time we will do videos on this, you know. So thank you so much, Mohammed, for watching and for letting us know this informative thing. So yeah, these all are the 3 comments for today's video. I really hope that you like this content. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Be safe, be in your home, and enjoy our videos, and keep supporting us, keep watching our videos. And that's all. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.